Hi guys, back some more pick stuff to get me play this phone right here. And now it's level 1 portal. Are you ready? Okay, let's see. No damage. No damage. Level 2 is your pawns. Oh! My hand is a little distant, but no damage. No damage. This level 3. First of all, are you ready, guys? Oh! Right here. Perfect. Level 4 is a basketball. Are you ready? Oh! I didn't think it's so loud. Now I started to pop the breaking, but it's not breaking at all. Now there's a little white 10 right here. Little red 10. Perfect. Last 5 is crispy. Ooh, I got it. See what that is? No damage at all, but there is a little stain right here. Level 6 is a basketball. Oh! No damage on the top, but no damage at all. Wow, that's a price. No damage at all. Someone bit that ball. Oh! You can get flat in a while, but no damage. But I have a bump right this corner right here. Right? And it's sour. Oh my gosh! There's a bunch of damage right here. Oh my, look at that. That is so cool. No, it's enough damage. Oh. Another cut right here. Level 10 is a hammer. Oh, that is so loud. Boy, there's a bunch of cracks right here. Bunch of cracks. Now it's time to put the phone all the way down 13 feet down. Are you ready? 50 feet down. Let's go right to this. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Wow. That's in the feet. It didn't work. So do the cut hammer. Are you ready? 13 feet all the way down here. Put that phone down. Let's go right to that. Oh! Let's check what damage. Wow, there's a bunch of damage. Okay, now let's see the dirt inside the phone. Kinda cool. Bye guys. See you in the next video. The next video will be tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Gonna be perfect day tomorrow. Perfect. Do all the stuff for you guys. And stay tuned. Bye guys.